Everyone, my name is Arun Murthy. I am the founder of Excellent Tutorials. In the evening classes that I take for Indian as well as international students, we discuss a number of HOTS or higher order thinking skills questions. I'll be sharing some of those in this video series with you. Let's look at this question. If secant A is x plus 1 over 4x, what would be the value of secant A plus tan A? So let's first find what is secant square A, and the reason we are going to do that is we know that 1 plus tan square A is secant square A, and that identity can help us find the value of tan A. So secant square A becomes x plus 1 over 4x the whole square. Use the a plus b whole square identity and you get x square plus 1 over 16x square plus 1 over 2. The middle term will be 2 times x times 1 over 4x, which can be simplified. The x will get cancelled and you will get 2 over 4, or it will result in 1 over 2. Now let's find secant square A minus 1, because that is going to be equal to tan square A. Secant square minus 1 is, here you will get x square plus 1 over 16x square plus half minus 1. Now half minus 1 is minus half. So that becomes x square plus 1 over 16x square minus half. Now if you rewrite this in terms of the a minus b whole square identity, this becomes x minus 1 over 4x the whole square. So since secant square A minus 1 is tan square A becomes x minus 1 over 4x the whole square. If you take square root on both sides, you get tan A is equal to plus or minus x minus 1 over 4x. So there are two possible answers here. First, let us assume that tan A is x minus 1 over 4x. When you add that to secant A, which is x plus 1 over 4x, the 1 over 4x will get cancelled and you will get secant A plus tan A as 2x. Similarly, if you assume that tan A is minus of x minus 1 over 4x, this time the x terms will get cancelled and you will get secant A plus tan A as 1 over 2x. So these are the two possible values for secant A plus tan. Here are a couple of practice problems that you can solve very similarly. Solve them and I have provided the solution in the video description. You can verify your answer. This will help you prepare better for your board exams as well as competitive exams like NTSE, Olympiads, etc. I hope this was useful to you. If you like the video, please leave a comment, hit the like button. Also share and subscribe so others can find this video material easily. Thank you.